everything. Solitude is just a question of a place in my head, and so I just define this like a flight with painful excuses. Now I'm soaking in a bath of air. My wings are wet, my skin is pale, oh rubber. Yeah, I'm smoking in a bath of oil. My wings are black, my beauty spoiled, oh rubber. Strange ways, no one ever understand everything. How many ups and downs take anyone else this far? No matter what you say, I am going to have it my way, 'cause I know you won't miss this. Soaking in a bath of air, my wings are wet, my skin is